James Yeltsin. We are back with another Let's Play on the Lake. This episode we will be saving Alice. Yeah. Sometimes the enemies just keep coming and it's best to run for the next safe instead of fighting them. So now they tell me. You can boost your flashlight with beam with LT.
All the lights were out.
Alice, I'm coming! It's all right, I'm coming!
Oh no,
What the hell?
these things are jerk. There's more? Come on, Alice. Oh, yellow.
Keep going. Wake up.
Alice?
Waking up in the crashed car felt like I had woken from one nightmare and entered another. I couldn't remember how I got there. All I knew was that something terrible had happened to Alice.
Oh, his eyes are
The
bloody.
phone was dead. I'd have to find help on foot.
Okay, looks like we're finding Alice. This is gonna be a good one.
Among Alice's things was a book, The Creator's Dilemma, by a Dr. Emil Hartman. Seeing the book brought back my fight with Alice. I didn't like it, and I didn't like the guy's smug face on the cover either.
What do we do? Oh.
The gas station was my best bet. They'd have a phone I could use. It looked like a long hike through the forest to get there.
It always has to be so far away. I mean, my gosh.
Damn.
Looks like you got out of there.
Hello?
Hello? Is someone there? The loose sheets of paper were pages from a manuscript entitled Departure. That was the name I planned to use for the next novel I had never gotten started. I was named the author. I hadn't written it. I couldn't remember writing it. In the scene on the page, the hero was attacked by an axe murderer in the woods at night.
You have some Facebook pages, you can access them with the button or something. There really need some guns. There's gonna be some ghosts coming probably. And I need this ghost.
Anybody there?
Yep.
Please, I've been in an accident!
The lights up ahead were a good sign. Maybe I wouldn't have to hike all the way down to the gas station to find a phone.
Maybe. Fire shot. Oh.
to...
Premium cabins for rent in
Oh, hell.
Carl Stuckey. To meet you. Fair.
Ah!
Great. Stuck. And there goes my dog. That's nasty.
It's the latest thing!
What's up?
I had to...
Oh, it's like The Shining.
Any second now, and Stucky would be knocking on the door with his axe like Nicholson in The Shining.
I just said that. It's Shining. Finally, we got a gun. Batteries. What do you want to use on? You can't go on batteries. Oh, more batteries.
You're trying. It's the latest thing in testably.
Hello?
Moving.
Hello?
Oh, hey.
Two. One. Bang.
What is happening?
This is bad.
And it's the cholesterol level.
Oh, we are going.
There were more of them.
Sweat coming at me. What?
I found it with a concussion. I'd never fired a gun outside a shooting range, and now I just killed someone. Or something. There were no bodies. They just disappeared. If I was dreaming, it felt real enough to make me sick. The Dark Forest was the last place I wanted to go, but I had no choice. I had to get to the gas station.
Some ammo here. Yep. And batteries. We shouldn't get a machine gun on this game. Oh, so you could like blow them all away.
What the hell was that? When I saw the river below, something uncoiled itself inside my head. I realized that I'd have to find a way across. I didn't even want to look at the water.
This game reminds me of that Within the Dead or one game for you guys playing. Like Within the Dead or something. No. I know it's something. Come on, go down there. Go down.
still out there, in the dark, stalking me.
Guess not. Should be like a one switch. Oh, here's a light. Let's do something. Sorry guys, in this episode here. Leave a like if you enjoyed watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.